What's poppin' YouTube gang and gang members? Welcome back. Welcome back to CTV, where the limit is infinite.
We back with another one. Jumping back into some. Welcome back. Yeah, if you don't know about that, you're a little youngster.
What's poppin' YouTube gang and gang members? Welcome back to CTV, where the limit is infinite. The grind running across the subscribe, baby. And don't forget to like, comment, and glide to that subscribe button. This your boy King, aka the man with that plan for the land.
And I'm Daryus P and we back.
Yes,
What's
sir.
the move? Demon Slayer move. Getting trained. This episode number 5. Last episode went crazy.
Crazy. That boy tanjiro got down. He started tweaking, bro, and went nuts on the little dream demon.
the dream keeper. I don't know. I don't want to call him the nightmare man. They don't be night. I mean, it do, but it don't.
Yeah.
Cause it be like they habit place.
But I think even though like he took off his head, I think one of the most dopest parts of that episode when he kept killing himself.
Yeah, over and over.
He kept getting it over and over. He said, "Oh,
And coming back.
Yeah, he said, "Oh, they ain't gonna work. A regular gym gonna work. Put you in a nightmare." Had his family like, "Bro, it was your fault that we died."
Yeah, that was so cold.
Yeah, you know, that's why he turned up.
That's my cold hearted.
Said, "Bro, my family never say that. You got me fucked up, but can't." He did a little.
Kept coming, and then he was coming back so fast. It was like there was no pause.
Yeah, mid fight.
And the demon knew.
Yeah.
He knew the only way to get out.
Is to kill yourself.
Kill yourself. So he was like,
that.
"Damn, he doing it that fast? Let me go and buy into this train."
Nah, man. He cut off his head. He was like, bro. He thought, bro, no wonder Muzan said kill you in the hot. Like, that's his only mission.
Oh, he said find him with the earrings.
Yeah, find him with the earrings and kill a Hashira.
Yeah.
That's it. That's all I want you to do. Why is you that so important? That the master of demons wants you dead.
Something about the earrings. We need to find what the earrings mean.
But I think it got
Something to do with his dad.
yeah, no, or his bloodline.
Bloodline.
Because we already know that his no, because he was trying to see what his dad.
That's why he came.
No, that fire shit he was
To
doing.
Rengoku.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask him about that. Rengoku was like,
Cause
oh,
I think Rengoku got the flame
yeah.
and he got the fire.
I think they called it fire.
Fire breathing or some shit like that. And I think
Yeah.
it's gonna got something to do with that. Them earrings or whatever. Cause I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think the master of the Hashira said something about that shit when he pulled up too the first time. Yeah.
Yeah, but this.
Oh yeah, and Inosuke woke up.
Yeah.
Inosuke came out there and be like, "What's up?" Here. I'm here. Then I think it went off of that. But
Yeah, they go do cliffhanger.
no, that shit was crazy, bro.
I will go ahead and get this. I'm sweating this episode hard.
Yeah.
Let's go and get into it.
Alright.
But the whole train is a monster for real.
Inosuke said it too. We dreamed about it and all.
That was his dream. That was
Yeah.
what he wanted to happen.
Oh,
So he can go fight.
Ugh. What the fuck is that?
I repeat, this entire train is a demon!
What do you
He's like,
know?
I already know.
I was right all along.
Yeah.
Talk about having absolute killer instincts as a leader, huh?
Yeah. I agree.
Get in there.
That boy said tenfold. I got this.
Beast breathing. Fifth day.
Fifth thing.
Blazing fire.
Ooh, quit playing with my boy.
He's
Voice
over
cracking
there.
and everything.
I'll be sure
He's
Off with
still
it.
in the air.
last one of you. As thanks, it's only fair you should fall to one knee and
Off.
worship me as your
Get off them.
Lord
And he can
Inosuke
still sleep in his
Hashira.
brain.
I'm coming through.
He keep calling this
Lord,
stuff
it
Lord.
knows.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
minute.
Oh, Demon just turned up a little bit more than it.
Yeah, he like, yeah, I thought it was gonna be easy. Hold on, he about to be the whole train for real.
Damn, that's a big ass fucking demon, bruh.
Nah, you can't. I don't know how you
Is that
protect
one of them
everybody now.
monsters? Like Muzan shit wall?
Yeah. Gotta do something. I mean, how you gonna protect the whole?
Let's go, Tanjiro.
Water surface slash!
Get back, bro.
That was your first form.
That's a regular slash.
This is never going to end.
Nah,
Yeah, they can just keep coming back
Get
up.
off!
Yeah,
Go find the head.
that's what she said.
Bro, where you at?
Scurrying around inside me. Once all of your energy is wasted, I'm going to enjoy dining on the
So that's his
passages
plan.
Well, you gotta get
To make him
tired.
tired.
banquet.
I mean, if he can get to keep doing that over and over and over.
Yeah. What you doing, Nezuko? You gonna turn up too? Ooh, she getting bigger.
Getting big.
Let's go. Alright.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a problem.
Yeah.
Problem now. That's when you don't want to turn up.
Let's go,
Get off me.
Nezuko. Ooh.
But the movement is crazy. Get off her.
No kung fu. Get off of her. Get off of them.
No weapons.
What did I say? Ooh, stepping on me. Look, Nezuko going nuts. Let's go. Yeah, this shit gonna go forever, bro. Get up. Oh. Oh, hell
You
no.
done got tricked. Get out of there.
Get bigger. Overpower that shit.
Get big and just break out the train.
She might be in trouble, bro. Hey!
Oh, who in trouble? Yeah. You don't mess with him.
Nah,
You mess with
Nezuko.
her.
Get over her. What you mean, bro?
Yo.
My boy. Zenitsu, baby.
Zenitsu.
I'm
She
here.
just fell in love.
And he still sleep.
First form.
That's what you want to do.
Thunderclap and flash!
Woo! Out of there.
Six-fold. Nezuko.
Hey,
I will protect you.
this dude here, bro.
Hey, you about to go back to sleep.
Wasn't that who just went
like
crazy?
What nigga so
What about
cold,
Mr.
man?
Tough
Hey,
as fuck.
Nezuko!
Get off. No breathing for him. Just slash.
It's all I can do to protect the ones here.
How long you gonna keep slashing though?
Oh shit!
Mama, there goes that other man.
If the other Hashira were here
That's how he just walking through there and being like, right?
to see what I let happen, I'd be ashamed.
Let's go, Rengoku. Oh my god! He felt that. He felt that.
Different.
Oh my god, Rengoku, bruh.
What's that? Did a demon attack?
No, yeah, he did a demon attack. What's up? Goku is
This train has 8
so
cars.
fucking tough.
I will protect the rear 5. The other 3 will be handled by your sister and that boy
5?
in yellow.
Yeah, I'm gonna get 5. They
He
got
said-
3.
He
You
said
will
the
go
boy
with the
yellow.
boar-headed lad and search for the demon's head.
Its head?
Hey,
Was the Netsu look at us so clean? What?
I hope you're fired up.
Fired up.
turn out of there.
Look at those.
It's like he just disappeared.
He did.
That what made the train shake earlier?
Yes. Oh. Damn.
Inosuke, where are you?
That shit like he rode through a big ass mound of bubblegum.
Up there?
I already got my marching orders from Mr. Bug-Eye!
He already stopped by.
Yeah, man.
Bossing me around though. He was really cool.
Let's
That pisses me off!
go, man.
I've already found what it is we're looking for. The Master's weak spot.
He found the head.
Found it? So it is up front then.
It sure is.
Inosuke, boy, his fucking instincts is crazy. Look at it, man.
Man, finna do a pull-up.
Parkour.
Rengoku's protecting 5 cars all by himself.
Nah, he different.
That boy looking so cold up there, boy.
This is it, huh?
Oh, that's it? Oh. Good. Open up.
All right.
Open.
Don't tell me he in where the cold be at.
Leave this area!
It's there, isn't it? The weak
Right up
spot.
in there.
It's right.
Shit.
You're not touching that weak spot.
Oh crap!
Oh, they real. Oh, shit. Come on, Tanjiro. Where you at? Damn. Yeah.
Get on something.
6-4!
That shit's so fucking fire up.
Oh,
Knocking the dome
they
off
are
that
breaking the
bitch.
whole
That
train.
bitch a drop top now. Oh, that shit
Hey,
hurt.
screamer.
Are you all right, Inosuke?
It's not like you came to my rescue, okay?
Demons had us under here.
Don't order me around. I'm the leader, remember?
And what's next?
I'm Lord Inosuke.
Watch. This is beast breathing.
Okay.
Second fang.
Second
Take his fang.
big slice. Damn. Big ass neck moan.
But this man really fused to the whole train for real.
Waterfall basin!
What the hell?
It deflected.
Oh, he blocked it.
Get off me.
Look at this man. Still saving for it. Let's go.
Ooh, but you won't get in this bowl.
Inosuke! Let's synchronize our attacks!
Okay.
No slash at the flesh, which will allow me
So
to
they finna
get the ball.
fight together.
Let's do it!
They see that? That pain and water breathing
At the
together.
same time. Ooh, I heard you.
Oh.
And I see
That
you.
nigga,
Unconscious sleep. Dream.
I'll go to sleep, bitch.
Blood demon arc!
Ooh.
Got me!
Hand just don't do that shit.
In your dream, slice your own neck! It'll wake you up!
Oh, he told them before they went to sleep. Okay.
Yep. Back.
Back up.
It's alright!
I'm
I'm
back.
still able to break
Did
this
Inosuke
down.
do it though?
That's
Word.
crazy, bro.
How many times he done did that now?
Ooh,
Damn! The moment I
that
wake
wasn't
up,
a damn.
can't help make sure when I wake up that I keep my eyes shut!
You gotta feel it.
Again!
When you wake up,
Wake
man.
up!
I mean, he put them eyes everywhere.
This
He
is
gonna
a
fight.
dream!
Hello.
No, man.
There's no time
No,
left!
you're in reality.
That's not the dream.
Yourself up!
Good shit, Inosuke.
You're not dreaming right now. Don't go falling for his trickery. You wanna
Ooh.
look like a damn
We ain't even
fool.
calculate that in. That you can, cause you gotta kill yourself. Look at a pump fake on his ass.
The mountain god on my head. I bet he's too scared to look me in the eye.
Inosuke, boy. What the fuck is that? What are you doing?
Inosuke!
I won't let you take away my chance to dream!
Oh.
He stabbed. Boy, what the? Bitch ass, boy. Hell no.
Did he just stab you? Yeah, he just stabbed him.
He just stabbed
Let's hurry
Tanjiro in the stomach. Oh
They
shit.
closing up again. That whole body get hit.
Weave. Too slow, okay. Animation change.
And they
Let's
moving
go.
together. Clean. Just smooth and just crazy.
Get off. Weave. Smooth movement, baby. My boy said, I'm gonna get bigger. Damn.
My man that keep protecting himself even more. These folks are so high in the sky.
Ooh, we swag surfing on your shit. Let's go.
Man, Joe would think he couldn't get no better.
Sleep now!
Not today.
Oh
my.
What eye?
Beast breathing. Fourth form.
Inosuke MVP, bro.
Ooh, come here.
Hey, block this one. Let me see that neck.
And I'm here.
Let's go, Tanjiro.
Please guide my
Oh,
We want the fire out.
No Kami Kagura!
What the fuck? Where did he get that from?
Blue sky!
Oh,
It's over with.
head on.
And guess what, dude? You're done.
What the?
No.
Oh,
No.
oh, that boy Rengoku said not today.
Not today, bro. No, Tanjiro fucking Hemo copy.
just said-
That's what it's called.
Father, help me and
Bro, you can't get up that fucking hype, bro,
man, come.
and cut the episode off. What's wrong with these folks? I'm
Just-
about sweating, bro.
Just what you thought.
Damn. And it's still, what, 2 more episodes of this?
2 more episodes.
They just killed the demon.
They just killed the. I mean, we think they killed him. They killed him.
They cut off his head. I mean, they showed the real body and his head coming
Yeah,
off.
his head got cut off.
Shit. Don't post that way crazy,
Crazy, boy. That's.
Oh, Inosuke, man.
Inosuke
I got the
went
fool.
crazy. Zenitsu went crazy. Rengoku went crazy.
Everybody chill.
Everybody just.
What name is?
Nezuko.
Nezuko went crazy at the beginning, saving everybody, finding saving
I just
you.
hate some stuff.
Damn, then my boy came in with the father, please
Father,
help
guard my
me.
blade.
Oh. Himokabi, that's what he been trying to ask bro Rengoku about. 'Cause he know the dance, he know how to do it, but he don't know shit about it. He don't know no history, none or I know some more breathing techniques, some shit got to do with that
They
shit.
needed. My boy had to cut through the whole train.
He had a ring around that bitch. That shit was so fucking fire, bro. But this show, bro.
That boy said, "Let's combine our powers and we gonna move together." And
I'm trying to say, bro, like, cause, alright, when they killed Rue, like when we had that little every moment with Rue, when he didn't kill him, but because he cut off his own head.
yeah,
But when he first used that shit there with the fucking water dragon and turning to fire, bro, I'm like, bro, that shit. How do you peak this? How do you get over? Like, how do you? The bar's raised now.
yeah.
How do
Bars
you-
raise even?
Come on, bro. They keep delivering, bro. Every fucking time.
That's when Nezuko had did her blood demon art, and you just like
And then you put somebody like get you
exploding blood demon art at that.
Yeah, fact. But then you put somebody the Hashira Ginyu, the water breathing one. See him over there. You show a little bit of him. Then you add in Rengoku. So yeah, we show you he 5'4". Let me tell you this guy though.
Rengoku's just like
Lord, he just got that swagger. Mama
we
got
just
my
did his.
swagger.
You see his facial change. His face expression changed for a little bit too. Like right at the end,
You think you gonna get somebody for you die?
Nah.
Get
none of that. None of that.
But guess what? You're at done.
But what else? I
Done.
mean, they just killed the demon.
Yeah. I think that. I mean, we know Tanjiro just got stabbed. That's what's crazy though, cause
He got stabbed and then did that.
he did all the fight really started. He got like the demon really like turned up. Like, bro, I'm serious. They got big and did all the things.
Yeah.
That was after he got stabbed. He still survived. And cut the demon head off with a stab wound. He needed the Himokabi to cut his head off.
Yeah. So he
That's
just.
what he used it anyway.
I wonder how much. I don't know.
He was bleeding.
Yeah, he was
He had
bleeding.
blood stain on his shirt.
Yeah, how much energy did he just use to?
I don't know. Then like the train was like going over some shit on there.
Yeah, cause he is a train. I wonder what happened to the passengers.
I don't know. They
There's a
probably
lot of
get.
stuff.
I don't know. Yeah, it was a lot of passengers. Everything was full of.
Yeah, and the train just
Oh,
off the track and exploded in
I
there.
just thought about something. Why the fuck did y'all on that train? It already been in the newspaper and everything. This
Yeah.
train that killed 40 people.
Dang.
They just been missing.
It ain't gonna.
Ain't
Well,
gonna
nah, they say they just been missing. I don't know if I know what happened to them. They going missing.
But it's 40 people. Ain't like it's like
yeah, why
one or
was you
two
getting that
people.
train?
Everybody on that train.
It ain't gonna happen to me. I don't know what happened. It ain't gonna happen to me.
I ain't finna get on that one though.
That's what they thinking. It ain't gonna happen to me.
Well, I come shit. I come after they say everything they say.
Yeah, I'm right. All
I
right.
ain't finna be
the
the
train.
first motherfucker back on that bitch.
But that one.
Like what they tell them for? They parked the train for us.
Gave them a discount.
Probably man, they been cheap as they probably were free.
They did ride that train. They're free. It's free.
Shit,
Alright.
Say less. I'm on that bitch. Sleep. So to get on that bitch.
Alright, y'all. That's gonna be it for this episode. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Hit the like button and subscribe too.
If you got any suggestions, drop them in the comment section. We did.
We'll see y'all in the next one.
Hey.